Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present you my own research of individual assignment, which is the topic is Internet of Things, and I will tell you more about smart home. Okay, what is Internet of Things? According to Investopedia, in February 2020, other than conventional computers such as notebooks and servers, the Internet of Things, or commonly known as IoT, is the term for a network-enabled composite system of array. IoT works by using the Internet protocols, IP applications, the very same mechanism that defines the and enable computer to connect with each other through global network. So, for smart home and its technology, smart home or connected homes is a smart home that allow connectivity and functionality of various devices, utilities, and applications, spanning from communication, entertainment to healthcare, security, and home automatic appliances. So, for the smart home technologies, it have problems. The first problem is synchronizations. For example, buying products like the thermostats, surveillance sensors, and cameras, which are definitely the most useful things for a smart home system. But you buy it, and then the problem is that it can be connected automatically or paired together. Like you buy a surveillance sensors, a camera and thermostat, you want to link it together, but it cannot be linked up together, so it will be such a waste. The next one is connectivity. For smart cameras to losing the feeds to the smart lights that cannot be shut off in the living room when instructed to do so. Connectivity problems can be also be frustrating and even can disrupt homeowners. The third one is detection ability, because smart home devices or security device, for instance, should be accurate, because it is irritating to get security alerts on your phone, which are just false alarms, like the branches of tree just waving on the camera, or just a cat leaping over the furniture. The fourth one is about battery life. Doors and other low energy consumption products usually use new batteries only for some, like a year or two, but batteries can be chewed or be used even quicker by the cameras and motion sensors, because this thing use motion and frequently update data according to minutes and hours. So if the battery life is, or if the battery is dead, so the device cannot be usable, which can be ineffective. The last one is accessibility. For families to adjust to smart home technology, they are most frequently complain about having a sense that they have restricted themselves to monitor the homes. So, for the past studies and approaches to overcome those of the problems I mentioned, for synchronization, sorry, the local cable and internet providers will assist with setting up a complete smart home system, which can be operated by a user through the hub or a single smartphone app, because many of today's smart home devices can enable the user to configure and launch the application from a single app. For the connectivity, the best way is to change to a decent router, because the router or wireless router is the core of a smart home system, because if the router is not updated or you use the old version, it will be impossible to keep up with many network gadgets, especially for the new developed ones. For detection ability, most smart cameras can disregard parts of home or yard that trigger motions, like the gardens where they have trees there, and others have toggles that only alert users to a certain function when the camera detects an unfamiliar individual. Because some programs can detect and zoom in by using AI or artificial intelligence and submit a video file to the owner. For battery life, the smart home user can move the device a bit closer to the home main network, like I told you, the hub, so it will use less network connectivity, which can lead to less use of battery. User can also find several extra features inside the configuration of the unit, which can be switched off for greater performance. Like for example, you can turn off automated lighting system, or you can instruct it to do so only when you come home, only when you are at home. For accessibility, the user must ensure that the smart device they use can be widely accessible, and they need to put an investment with some of smart switches, because for the best intelligent thermostatics and door locks, to have a conventional controls that function along their companion applications, it can enable the families to take all the advantages of the intelligent system or the smart device and communicate it like a conventional device. So for summary and conclusion, smart home devices are increasingly prevalent, which means that the acceptance is rising because of the rise in technology. It is expected that the global smart home industry will continue to expand enormously. The next point is it has become obvious why the smart home devices are getting popular, because in reality they positively impact the modern homeowner, and above the lame all the lame device and appliances. Smart home work great for the homeowner, and they can improve their normal life quality in many ways. The last one is for smart device. It can also have problems because smart devices are also like human. They tend to have some. They tend to have some mistakes, or in the context of we call machine, it it can have some problems. But for every problem, it has its own solutions. It just take the right tools and a right timing to overturn the problem into a solution. So that's all from me. Thank you.